Subscribe to my channel to see the latest unboxing videos to your mobile.
So here's a package from Amazon. Let's tear it. Now see the box content. Here is an invoice. Okay, now let's check our product. Here is our product in the polythene wrap. Let's take it out. Okay, here is a JBL C200SI. Here is a manufacturing date and MRP. The actual MRP is 720. I will provide the link in the description. You can compatible in Android and iOS. Okay, now let's check. Nothing inside. Okay, there is some certification button function. I will show you later. 9 mm dynamic driver. Okay, some informations, some certifications. Okay, now let's cut the seal or open the product. On the top, our product is seal. Okay, and some paperwork like user manual, warranty card, etc. Here is a user manual. Read it before using it. Okay, here is some certifications in Chinese language. Here is some care tips. Okay, so this is the box contents. Now let's move to the product. And let's check the earbuds quality. Good, rubberized and hard. Good quality. Okay. Now let's move to the product itself. Nicely packed, done by the JBL. It is a hard plastic in the bracelets. The rubber quality is okay. The wire quality using the 3.5 jack and double. Okay, there is a button or mic inbuilt. Okay, I will show you later. I have attached the earbuds in my size. Let's check the wire quality. The wire quality is okay, but it tangles a lot. Wire quality is okay with this. It tangles a lot. Okay, wire quality I will give 8 out of 10. Okay, now let's check the button function. I am playing the music. Let's check the function. Single press, it will pause and play. Okay, so pause and play. And for long press, it will active. Alexa, Bixby or Google. I am activating Google. And Gemini is active now. Okay, button function I will get 7 out of 10. Okay, now let's test the sound quality. I have connected to my phone. Okay, the sound signature in JBL C200SI is focusing on vocals, trebles, and instrumentals. Bass or bass is there, but is minimal, so I will let 8 out of 10. Okay, and let's move to the mic test.
So here is a sample from JBL earphones. As you can hear some background noise like for Earbuds sounding and TV in the next room, TV sound. And let's test the noise cancellation in the mic in the JBL earphones. I am going near my pad. As you can hear, I am near the pad. Overall, the quality is 8.9 out of 10. Now let's move to the
So here we have come to the end of this video. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel and like my video. The purchase link in the description. Okay.